Hello students, welcome back to Pearl's Excel and Molecular Spectroscopy series. Today we'll start with the lesson number 13, that is Hooke's law and simple harmonic oscillator. In the previous lesson number 11, we shortly touched on this topic, but today we'll explore it in greater detail. So let's get started with basics. Every covalent bond is considered as elastic, therefore it can be stretched or compressed. Therefore such a bond is compared with spring, whose motion obeys Hooke's law. Explanation. Consider two atoms A and B, which are joined by elastic bond. This bond is then considered as like spring. The two atoms are stretched or compressed by an external force. When bond is stretched or compressed by an external force from the normal position, then other force trying to pull these stretched or compressed atoms to their normal position. This other force is known as restoring force. So from this image you clearly understood that the stretching and compression of bond, how it will affect it to displacement. Further, mention this with statement that restoring force on a spring is proportional to displacement of spring from equilibrium position. Therefore, F directly proportional to minus x. So, F is equal to K minus x. Assign this as a equation number 1. The negative sign is due to opposite in direction of restoring force and displacement, where F is restoring force, x is displacement and K is force constant. Later, the molecule which obeys Hooke's law, then it performed simple harmonic motion. Such a molecule is known as simple harmonic oscillator. And the molecule which is not obeys Hooke's law, then it performed an harmonic motion. Such a molecule is known as an harmonic oscillator. Now understand these terms through the diagram. Simple harmonic oscillator. The molecule in which atoms are moved towards or back, about mean position along a certain fixed path is called as simple harmonic oscillator. Stretching and compression takes place on a single fixed line, as you can see in the above diagram. Further understand these phenomena with energy curve diagram. When molecule is at normal position or equilibrium position, then energy of molecule is zero or negligible. And when molecule is under stretching or compression, then energy is either decreased or increases. Therefore, energy curve for simple harmonic oscillator is of symmetrical nature. Observe this very well in the diagram. Spacing of each energy levels are equal. But a close look at the limitations of vibration spectra reveals that diatomic molecule cannot behave as a simple harmonic oscillator. This can be confirmed when potential energy is plotted against the displacement when a molecule is undergoing different modes of vibrations due to stretching. This is shown in the previous figure, which represents a parabolic curve with equilibrium point at 0 point energy. It is also seen that the vibrational energy levels are equally spaced, indicating that the vibrating molecule strictly obeys the Hooke's law. But, however, the molecules are not taken as perfect harmonic oscillators. Because when the molecule is stretched and allowed to restore its original position, the bond will get distorted. Thus, the molecule deviates from the Hooke's law and forms an harmonic oscillations. This anharmonic curve along with the harmonic curve is shown in below fig. The dotted line indicates harmonic oscillation and solid line indicates an harmonic oscillation. So with this explanation, I hope you clearly understood these all the terms. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you soon in the next video, lesson number 14.